Hello and welcome back to my channel. I am psychologist Mishika Sethi and you are tuned into Leap Over Life. If you are watching this video for the first time or you have come to my channel for the first time, do not forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so that whenever I post, you get a notification. And I have a really good news. Now we can connect on Facebook as well as on Instagram. I have just announced my official Facebook page like 2 to 3 days back. I'll be giving the link in the description box below. Do not forget to connect. Before coming in front of camera to shoot my next video for the YouTube, I usually accessorize myself, do a bit of makeup with like matching dress and all. But this time, nothing. I am who I am. I am in front of you. Okay, you all might be thinking, why am I telling you all of this, that I get dressed up and everything? Because our topic is #BeReal. Okay, but how do we become real? It is very simple. Okay, usually people that post over Instagram or Facebook or any other social networking sites, they are most of the time faking their lifestyle. I am not saying anything that like they are, but most of the time they are faking their lifestyles, so that then after seeing that, other people feel jealous. Okay, they then try to match their standards. They then put pressure over their parents that, see, she got that or he got that, I also want to do this, I also want that dress, or I also want that bike and everything. But I don't think it is worth it. Why can't you be the way you are? Sometimes these tendencies overpower us and then they kind of shift to psychological disorders. Like, that is just the starting, when you start getting jealous, and then sometimes some people have control over them and they can control it, but sometimes they fail and then it starts converting into some psychological disorders like bodily dysmorphic disorder. What happens in this is like, so a person tends to spend most of his or her time of the day in front of mirror. He or she is not fat, just the perfect size, but then also they feel that I am fat, or like something like short hair, long hair, and the list can go on forever. Trust me. So you can also have low self-esteem, but sometimes dressing up can boost your self-esteem or confidence. But when you keep on listening that you are fat, you have pimples, you eat a lot, you should exercise, you are very thin, you should eat, and all, then it might decreases your self-esteem. Like, you are hitting on the same nerve again and again. So if any of you are doing that, just stop right there. You shouldn't. Okay. And if any of you are listening to them, then you should also stop right there, because it is not worth it. Or you can get like psychological eating disorders like binge eating or anorexia nervosa, and there are so many. I can just keep on naming them. Like inferiority complex. We can lose our identity also. The media landscape is changing, and I know it is hard to keep up, let alone stay ahead of the curve. But I'll be very honest with you. I'm terrified. I'm scared that I will fail. I'll let everyone down. Everyone who looks up to me, including my friends, my viewers, my family, everyone. But I keep on reminding myself that how contagious fearless can be. And I realized that I have to keep that promise that I made to myself when I started this. When I started Leap Over Life. That I will run towards what terrifies me the most. I'm not alone. I'll run with you all, guys. We'll run together. Whatever that terrifies us, we'll run towards that together. But I need to keep going. Not because I love what I do, but it is the essence of Leap Over Life. To inspire everyone to fight their challenges heads on, compete with them, and take a leap of faith. I know it's frightening, but if you don't take a leap, then how would you know what you are capable of? So let's take a leap. Let's find out what we are capable of together. I, the one, can't wait to see what I can do. It's like, if you don't want to do makeup, don't. If you want to do makeup, do. Don't wait for anyone's permission. Don't wait for anyone to come and tell you you are beautiful or you are handsome. Because you know that deep down. And look, we are today's generation. Like, to be quite frank, looks don't matter. And we have understood it like long time back. And let's make a change. Because that's what our generation do. Change, fight. If we fall, we stand up. Again. We cry, but wipe our tears and come back to the ring to give the knockout punch. So, this was all about being you or being me or being a Leap Over Life. I'll meet you next time with another interesting video. Till then, stay tuned. My contact details will be given at the end of the video, but I would appreciate you all to go and support my Facebook page, the official Leap Over Life Facebook page. The link to it will be given in the description box below. Bye.